Good morning. Yeah, we're live in La Mesa and we're talking all about this face covering requirement. We've had so many of your questions. We hope to answer a few of those in the next few moments. But basically, you always need to have a face covering on you at all times. And if you think you're going to come within 6 feet of another person, that's when you need to have it up around your nose and mask. And this is what all of our county officials are saying. It starts on Friday, county-wide in San Diego County. And if you don't have this on you, you could get fined up to $1,000 or face 6 months in jail. We want to show you some video of people walking around wearing their masks. Basically, it would be a place like this in downtown La Mesa and the streets where you would be wearing your mask, or you might be going for a walk with your dog or jogging, and officials are asking that you have a cloth mask, bandana, or scarf with you and simply pull it up if you're coming in close proximity with others. County Supervisor Greg Cox explains when you should be wearing a face covering in public. Listen.
If you're waiting in line to go inside a store, you should have your face covered. If you're shopping in a store, again, have your face covered. Same thing with picking up food at a restaurant, waiting for a ride on public transit, riding in a taxi or rideshare vehicle, seeking health care, going into facilities allowed to stay open, or working an essential job that interacts with the public.
And we wanted to take viewer questions and clear up any confusion about the topic. Here's the first question from Anna Gutierrez. She asked about wearing a face covering for long hours and if it could be harmful to our health. She works in an office job that is essential. County officials have said to wear a face covering and have it with you, and that if you simply can't wear it all day long for your entire shift, that you should have it around your neck at all times. Many offices as well have provided social distancing desk seating so you don't have to wear them the whole time. Cloth masks, though, are not considered a health hazard. Moving on to our next question from Jessica Lozano Cox. She says, if I'm out for a walk by myself and not around anyone, do I have to wear one? The short answer is yes. Once again, just always have one with you at all times, but you do not need to cover your face if you're alone, in your car, or just with your immediate family. Now, keep in mind, wearing a face covering is to protect others from you and to mitigate this asymptomatic spread. Also, county officials don't want you ordering N95 masks. They want those to be held for healthcare professionals in local hospitals and emergency rooms and ICU units. We actually talked to a local doctor about the benefits, or if there are any, for wearing a cloth mask on your face. Take a listen.
The question I get a lot is, if I wear a mask, am I protecting myself from getting COVID-19? And that's the answer that we don't know as much about. We know that cloth masks can decrease particle transmission, but it doesn't decrease 100% of particle transmission. And so another question I get from people is, what type of material should I use to make these cloth masks? And there's lots of material out there. One great rule of thumb is the light test. So hold up your material to the light. If a lot of light passes through, it means that likely a lot of particles will pass through. And so when that happens, you can either double up with layers or use a different material. So I've heard people using, 600 count thread pillowcases. We've heard people using multiple layers of things like flannel, blended material, cotton and silk.
Now, it's good to note that if you have a child under the age of 2, they are not permitted to wear a mask. And if there are any medical issues barring you from wearing one, county officials do say that these are rare situations, but they are willing to talk to you about that situation. Also, Friday, this goes into effect, so keep in mind that you could be told to not get service if you go to a grocery store or a local store not wearing the mask around your face. Also, if you do plan on taking public transit or MTS bus or trolley, you have to be wearing one at all times. If you are looking for a mask or a face covering, we've put a bunch of resources up on our website, fox5sandiego.com. All you need to do is click on that Scene On tab. All right, I'll send it back to you guys in the studio for now.
Great information. Heather Lake, thank you.